made it here in LU and the first stop is Coco Mama again.
Looks familiar, di ba? Oh. Kahit saan ka magpunta. Coco Mama.
Coco Mama. Hindi pa nakaget over sa Coco Mama. Dito kami sa the Great Northwest. And pinaba lang namin yung gamit namin, ganyan. Tapos naglakad kami, tapos dito agad yung pinuntahan namin. Tapos, coincidence na nandito din yung Coco Mama. Talagang hanapin naman namin where it is. Coco Mama.
4 scoops.
4 scoops. Share na kami ni Martin. Take 2 scoops. Original. Martin ordered vegan pizza. So, basically, wala siyang cheese. Mixed salad. Shrimp scampi.
Cormets, yes. Parmesan and
Good morning, guys. It's day 2 here in LU. Yan si Martin. So, last night, nag-dinner lang kami kasama yung family ni Martin. So, we're here with his custodio cousins.
Yung pag-video mo sa akin, parang magnanakaw ako eh. Nilalak ko lang yung pinto namin ng aming very penthouse suite Airbnb. So, thank you for giving this to us. Binigay sa amin.
Nila Ate Kat, thank you so much. Kasi ito nasa 3rd floor. Yung original namin na book, 1st floor. Eh, some of them, hirap umakyat ng stairs. So, nakapagpalit sila. Tapos sabi, sa amin na daw lahat. Wala na daw sasama sa amin.
Thank you
thank
so
you for
much.
the penthouse suite.
Thank you for the fortunate events.
Oh, last night, we just had dinner in Kermit. We played board games.
It was fun.
It was so fun. We played code names. It's a fun game. Now, pababa na kami because we're all gonna go to Masa to have breakfast. Before having breakfast, pumunta na muna kami dito sa may beach. Ang lalaki ng waves. Here by the beach.
No new waves, baby.
Yan. Sabi ni Martin, pag January, ito talaga yung time for surfing. Kasi ang lalaki ng waves. The North Swell. Yan. So, hindi talaga siya for swimming. It's more of for surfing.
Yes. It's not for the weak.
Ito yung beachfront ng Urbistondo. Yan. Ito yung San Juan Surf Resort. That's where we usually stay. Kaso fully booked na sila, kaya Airbnb na lang kami. Pero most of our stays here in LU dito. Tapos masarap din yung restaurant nila dyan, Post Called. And later we'll go there sa Seabuds Cafe. So, they have smoothie bowls and it's a vegan cafe. Dito kami nagsistay. It's called Seascape Apartments. You can book them sa Airbnb. So, several units yan. The good thing is, ayan lang yung San Juan Surf. So, if you can't book them, then book this. Tapos, it's just as good location-wise. Because pag lakad nyo dyan, ayun na, beachfront na.
Tricycle life.
Going to Masa. We're here at Masa. Anak ng tinapay.
Anak ka ng tinapay talaga.
Very cool vibes here. We're here at Sundown to get coffee. Kasi kanina, nasa Masa na kami, but we didn't get coffee kasi they don't have soy milk or oat milk. But here, they have outside oat milk. Guys, the coffee is so good. I got sea salt latte with oat milk. Martin got oat latte.
It's the best. It's like you're by the beach, pero the quality is beaches.
Yeah, exactly.
Ang sarap ng mga
We're just chilling here.
chill vibe. That's from here. We can see the waves.
Also. Naglalakad na kami, trying to feel like locals.
Ako local talaga ako.
May nagtanong-tanong na nga kay Martin eh, about here, ganyan.
Ilocano talaga ako eh.
Ay, Lolos side.
Pero yes. The Romeros.
Ilocano
It's
talaga.
my hometown. It's my territory.
Ako wala. Talagang Kapampangan for life.
Doon ka medyo maaga-aga ka eh. Ako malayo na yun.
Wala ka. Zero pagka Ilocano. We're Pampanga, Bulacan. Sila Martin. Ilocano, Ilonggo.
Caviteño.
Yeah. The iconic 7-Eleven. Ito daw yung pag pinicture mo tong 7-Eleven na to without putting the pin. Alam nilang nasa Elio ka. We're at Seabuds. We're gonna get some smoothie bowls. I got Summer Day, Martin got Azul. Ito, Summer Day. Ito, Azul. Yung blue spirulina. Ito, para siyang strawberry banana. This one, pineapple coconut.
Blue spirulina siya, but then it tastes like pineapple. So basically, the smoothies on the side with the fruits on top of it. Lapit oh. Yan oh.
Hello!
Beam! Beam!
We got white soy latte. Ano yun? Si Addie.
The iconic.
The iconic. Addie!
Parang hindi ka pwedeng mag-Elio ng walang El Union coffee in your hand.
Yeah. Pero mas masarap yung Sundown Cafe.
Definitely. Definitely.
Yan. Parang bahay kubo dito. Wala. Ang hirap umakyat. Ang hirap with coffee and phone on hand.
The secret entrance to you have to go down. Parang ano, di ba? Parang video game, di ba? Na there's a secret hidden door to Mango Mama and Udo Mama.
Yeah, same company as Coco Mama. Mango coconut ice cream, black rice ice cream, mangoes, and latik. Ube ice cream, maha blanca ice cream, and ube pudding. And palitaw. Mango mama. Parang siyang mango sticky rice na ice cream pa. Meron siyang sticky rice sa ilalim.
Para siyang ube mais moniero. All vegan, 100% plant-based. If you're lactose intolerant, this is your place to be.
Maha blanca ice cream, ube ice cream, ube pudding, palitaw, and cornflakes. Mas gusto ko yung mango. Ikaw. Mas gusto ko yung mango.
Gusto siya naman yung ube.
Ikaw, ube.
We got the right orders.
Nandito kami sa different part ng beach sa Eliseos. And this is where we're gonna have dinner. Tapos sayang na-miss namin. Nag-release daw ng mga pawikan. We missed it by a few minutes. Pagdating namin tapos na. They released hundreds of pawikans. And si Martin. And Martin's family. Yan. We're gonna have, ito yung Eliseos. So, we're gonna have dinner now. We just watched the sunset here. super sarap lahat. As in, super sarap.
It's exquisite dining.
Gastronomic experience.
Wow. This is the place to be. Love it.
First time ko nakatry ng as in mga legit na Ilocano food. Yung iba ngayon ko lang na-encounter. Pero super sarap lahat talaga. It's like elevated Ilocano food. It's the best. If you're in La Union, you have to try Eliseo. Ito yung menu nila. O, diba? Very Ilocano talaga. As in, hindi ko alam ang ibang mga dishes na to. Pero sobrang sarap. Awarded by Tatler Dining and well deserved. It's so good.